How was your experience, man? Parkour.
I don't do it anymore.
Hardcore parkour.
You know where I got that from, right?
I don't know.
Hardcore parkour. Technically, I got it from Sam, but she got it from Touch.0. It's like every day we do 30 seconds of hardcore
Look at
parkour.
that. See that? That's a snake.
Is it?
Yep.
It's a big snake.
No, that's a slug. I'm joking. That's a slug. I didn't really think that was a
It fell
spider.
from the tree here, and then went.
Yeah, see? It could be three things. A very long slug, snake, or a
Are
spider.
you recording this?
Yeah.
Okay. Or jellyfish. Nah. Did the horseflies leave us alone when we covered our ears and just ignore them?
I think they like our attention. That's it.
Okay.
They're like
The watchtower.
They're like the-
it is this way.
they're like the blacks of the insects. You know? Of the insects and bugs.
Not the ghetto.
The bug world.
Gangsters. The gangsters.
Yeah.
Let's say what it really is, but. How's that fly? Yummy?
What are you talking about? Those are
I told you that you're not supposed to. I told you that plan wouldn't work. Eating flies, that's not gonna work.
You idiot. I said it was your jizz. You're supposed to cut it off.
I was trying to cover it up with the fucking. Never mind. Where did Jared go? Where's Jared? There he is. Oh, there isn't. Yeah. Fail and a half. Okay. It's only one minute. Hello. We were polite to a stranger. She was so scared. How's she following us? Just... Jared, wait! Jared! Wait for me! Jared, no! Jared!
Scared of
What?
Every time I yell, it's gonna get scared.
Go.
No. Wait.
It's like, holy shit. Let's find out where it's being attached to.
No, what are you doing?
I'm destroying its.
Why?
Can't you feel its
You're a
pain?
fucking idiot. Don't do that. Don't disrespect spiders like that.
Fuck, okay. Chill out. I'm sorry, I was joking. Calm down. It's not that big a deal.
Turn it off.
Seriously?
No, it's just turn it off. People don't know this, but elephants actually were native to North America. But after the Native Americans were, you know, they came to America. They were in America, and then the Europeans came and they chased out and killed all of the buffalo, most of the buffalo, and all of the elephants. But there's still some here, and that's what we just ran into. It's very rare that you find that.
It's a real treat for us then.
Yeah.
Very hard to find.
Oh, it's extremely. No one. I guarantee that nobody in the world has footage of elephant droppings
In North America.
in North America
In the woods.
In the woods.
Because I'm sure you can go to like a circus and shit, but no. Look, bridge.
What? Ribs?
Bridge.
Where?
Bridge.
Seriously?
Bridge. Not ribs. Bridge.
Ribs?
Bridge.
No. What are you saying? Ribs?
No.
I want ribs.
Okay. There's nothing there.
Where are the ribs?
Later. We'll get them later.
You said, oh, ribs.
No, I said bridge.
What are you saying?
Jared, I said bridge. Jared, are you
Why do you do this to me?
I'm not doing anything. Jared. Jared.
You heard me. I made that. I did that right here. That right there. Look at. I did that.
You did that? You're proud of yourself, aren't you?
Bit. I mean, it's cool, you know, whatever.
High five. You know what I have? Come on. Yeah. I know the guy who made that A. Mud.
Alright, really, you want to get chased by fucking flies again?
Are they on there?
Motherfucker!
Don't move, don't move. If you ignore them, they'll ignore you. They're not around here
Alright.
anymore.
Take a deep breath and relax. Fuck!
Is he just leaving me here?